In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and operate your new, I think it's called Victure or Victure SC30 webcam. So stay tuned and let's learn something together. Yeah. Welcome back to Nateypie's Trinkets and Doodads. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and operate your new Victure, sorry if I got the pronunciation wrong, SC30 webcam. I just received mine yesterday. It came in the evening. So now I'm going to open up the box and then we'll see everything that came with it and start the setup process. So I brought the camera down so you can see everything that I'm doing. Like I said, the box came like this. It came in a bag from Amazon, and I will show the screenshot above you. But this was $29.99 off Amazon. I'm a Prime member, so it was free shipping for me, and I got it within 2 days, which is a great thing about Amazon. It's not good if you're a reseller like me because everyone expects that these days. And trying to get the lighting right. Oh, and if you see something moving behind me, don't worry. It's just one of my dogs are down here with me. So, we'll go ahead and open up the box. This is the first time I've opened this. And it looks like we have it comes with a user manual. Well, you got to be smarter than the packaging. And then there's the camera. It hooks up by USB. And it also has a, let me see if I can get this to work. It'd probably help if I read the instructions. But here we go. It also comes with a clip to the computer, which I'm going to show you how to set up on your computer as well in this video, so stay tuned. But this is what it comes with. Pretty basic. Nothing else in the box. It says that's full HD 1080p wide angle view. And then it says double noise canceling mics and automatic low light correction. Like I said, nothing else in there. Instructions, pretty, explanatory. I personally, and it's a downfall to myself, I don't like instructions. I don't read instructions. I figure it out. Trial and error. I guess I just have issues. But I'm not an instruction type of guy. So now I'm going to hook it up and we're going to see together how easy it is to set up this camera and start using it. So the next thing we're going to do is search for the camera. And since I just plugged it in, it should switch automatically from my... I've had webcams in the past, but should switch automatically from my laptop to the new camera. So let's do that. And if not, I'll show you how to switch it. So we'll type in camera, click on it. And there we go, the new webcam. So as you can see, it's wide angled. I've moved it so it doesn't show the rest of, this is my bedroom down here, but the picture looks clear. Pretty happy with it. I'm going to switch the camera just to show you how bad my other camera is. You can see that it's cloudy, that it's just poor quality. And I did not want to ever do videos on my laptop. But now I can use my new camera and do some different videos. So I'm pretty excited about this. So I hope this video helped you. Like I said, this was just a little how-to to set up the Victure or Victure SC30 webcam. As you can see here, it was pretty simple. overall, it probably just, I mean, I know I had cuts due to editing and all that, but overall, I would say it took me about 5 minutes, 10 minutes, if that, to get this set up. So I'm going to try to get some editing software, or maybe a little bit upgraded editing software to go with my camera. And make sure you check out my channel, because I got a mic as well. I'm going to do a how-to video on that and undo that. Or unbox that, undo it. What am I talking about? But we're going to unbox that. And make sure that you hit the like button down below, the subscribe button, and the bell notification so you're notified on any of my upcoming videos. And remember, at the end of this week, it'll either be tomorrow night, or more likely Saturday or Sunday, that I'm going to have my interview that I was talking about with Corey Fish, which his channel is cfish0031. But I'm going to interview him on getting started on eBay and doing it. He's been doing it, I'd say, part-time or selling part-time for the last year. So it'll be interesting to get his perspective on things and what he's learned in his reselling journey. So once again, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, comment down below, and tell me what you liked and if this video was helpful or not. And if you'd like to see more content like this in the future, because there's always things I'm looking to upgrade, and I'd be more than happy to do a how-to video if it helps someone else. So I appreciate you watching. I appreciate your support. And remember, be kind.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to open up the box, and in this video, I'm going to show you